Hey guys, Daniel Mar 1228 here. Merry Christmas, and for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. What we're gonna unbox is the iPhone 6s, and I happen to have this little screwdriver right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get opening this. So there we go. That should be enough. Yep, there we go. So this is a 32 gigabyte iPhone 6s right here. So right here, we're gonna unbox this. So here's the phone right here. So we're gonna place this aside for a sec. So as you can see, you just got your manuals and stuff, Apple stickers, big collector of those, and just all this stuff. Oh, and of course it has the slim key. So this right here is the wall adapter, and of course, as you can see, we got the lightning to USB. So here we go. We got that. And of course we got this, and of course we're gonna unbox these. Alright, so now we're gonna get to the iPhone. Let's unbox it, or unwrap it. Place this aside, and this is the iPhone 6s right here. So we're gonna set it up. I will be right back. And now the 6s is ready. So that's it. See you guys again. Merry Christmas, and again, for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. See ya.